The next few days, we have this cut of low pressure system affecting the southwestern part of the country, bringing strong winds, some showers and thunderstorms, and much cooler conditions for the Cape provinces. So let's have a look at your Wednesday forecast. On Wednesday morning, a foggy start to your day in parts of the Western and the Eastern Cape, also parts of KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State, Gauteng and Mpumalanga, and then a cut of low pressure system developing west of the country, moving in a southeastwards direction, bringing a band of showers and thunderstorms to the Northern Cape, later the Western and the Eastern Cape, with a band of clouds stretching over the central and western parts of the country on Wednesday. On Wednesday morning, easterly winds picking up here along the southern coast, blowing fresh to strong at times there. By Wednesday afternoon, northwesterly winds picking up here over the western interior of the country, where the South African Weather Service issued a yellow level 1 warning for damaging winds, also the possibility of runaway fires. By Wednesday afternoon into the evening, we are expecting northeasterly winds to blow fresh to strong here along the east coast and the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong around the city of Cape Town on Wednesday evening. Our rainfall map showing showers and thunderstorms possible here in parts of the Northern Cape, later the Western and the Eastern Cape, with late evening rain possible over the southwestern parts of the Western Cape. Light rain here along the east coast and the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with light rain along the eastern escarpment and the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, but clearing up throughout the day. In the Western Cape, a chilly day along the coast with temperatures below 20 degrees, only 17 in Langebaan, 18 in Cape Town. Partly cloudy at times with northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong by the evening around the city of Cape Town. A few degrees warmer over the interior parts of the Western Cape with 24 the afternoon in Swellendam and Laingsburg. Northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong here over the northern parts of the Western and the Eastern Cape with isolated showers and thunderstorms possible here in this area. Also a few degrees warmer over the interior of the Eastern Cape with 23 the afternoon in Kumani, 24 in Kuba. Another freezing cold start to your day in the northern parts of the Eastern Cape with light frost possible. Northeasterly winds picking up by the afternoon here between Port St. John's and East London, and also along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A few fog patches the morning in KwaZulu-Natal. Later it will be a cool and partly cloudy day. Only 21 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. Light rain possible here along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, spreading into Mpumalanga and Limpopo, where we are expecting some light rain along the eastern escarpment and the lowveld of Mpumalanga. Foggy at first here in the highveld and much cooler on Wednesday afternoon with only 21 in Emalahleni and Ermelo, but still warm in the lowveld with 25 in Skukuza. In the lowveld of Limpopo, it will be much cooler, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, 19 in the afternoon in Sanin, but still heating up in the bushveld to 28 the afternoon in Thabazimbi, mostly sunny in the bushveld. Another warm day ahead for northwest with a northeasterly winds picking up, and the South African Weather Service are warning against the danger of runaway fires here in the western parts of the Northern Cape. It will heat up to a maximum of 30 the afternoon in Vryburg. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms to move over the western and central parts of the province, with northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong at times in parts of the Northern Cape, where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 1 warning, but still heating up to a maximum of 31 the afternoon in Upington. Another freezing cold start to your day in the Free State with 1 in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, later partly cloudy and a few degrees warmer with 25 in Bloemfontein, 27 in Welkom. Mostly sunny here in Gauteng, but a few degrees cooler with 22 the afternoon in Johannesburg, 24 in Pretoria, and that August winds blowing fresh at times. On a Thursday, much cooler here in the southwest with only 15 in Cape Town, but a warming up again in KwaZulu-Natal to a maximum of 28 the afternoon in Richards Bay, also still warm in the northeastern part of the country. And then on Friday, temperatures increasing again in the southwest, rain is still possible in places with a band high-level cloud stretching over the central parts of the country. Now again, cooler in KwaZulu-Natal with only 23 in the afternoon in Richards Bay, but still warm here in the northeastern part of the country with 30 the afternoon in Mbombela. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Wednesday.